Hello everyone! Welcome to King English class.
Today we will play a game of guessing vocabulary through illustrations. Let's get started. Can you guess what word this is? Sunflower. Can you guess what word this is? Sunlight. Can you guess what word this is? Rainbow. Can you guess what word this is? Moonlight. Can you guess what word this is? Football. Can you guess what word this is? Playground. Can you guess what word this is? Notebook. Can you guess what word this is? Cupcake. Can you guess what word this is? Snowman. Can you guess what word this is? Blueberry. Can you guess what word this is? Catfish. Can you guess what word this is? Snowflake. Can you guess what word this is? Popcorn. Can you guess what word this is? Sandcastle. Can you guess what word this is? Bedroom. Can you guess what word this is? Firefly. Can you guess what word this is? Classroom. Can you guess what word this is? Seashell. Can you guess what word this is? Mailbox. Can you guess what word this is? Rainbow fish. Can you guess what word this is? Doghouse. Can you guess what word this is? Basketball. Can you guess what word this is? Ladybug. Can you guess what word this is? Teapot. Can you guess what word this is? Hairbrush. Can you guess what word this is? Footballer. Can you guess what word this is? Laptop. Can you guess what word this is? Toothbrush. Can you guess what word this is? Goldfish.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.